Rich,
Bruce,
what is it you're going to make for me today?
I'm going to make you something excellent. I know I said that I cooked too much seafood.
Yeah.
Well, I'm still going to cook some seafood.
Well, I don't think you can cook too much seafood.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, especially if you're buying.
Yeah.
I'd be more than happy to help you eat all that seafood.
Well, you're going to be eating plenty of it.
Excellent, excellent.
But they still have lobster tails on sale. And I've never had lobster bisque. So I was like,
All right.
Why not? Why not?
It's kind of a nice cool day here today.
Mm-hmm.
You know, still in the 60s.
Even though it was in the 80s not too long ago?
Yeah, I know. So, that sounds pretty damn tasty.
Houston just can't make up its mind.
Not this year.
Look at that. I got us 5. Just make sure we have plenty of chunks of meat in it.
Dang. All right. Well, let me get out of your way because I want some of that, yeah.
We're going to start with 5 cups of water. This is, I mean, I haven't made a lot of stock in my life. Actually, I don't think I've ever made stock in my life.
Really?
No, I mean chicken stock.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and you usually have a bunch of veggies in with it too. But this is a creamier soup, so you make a roux with it, and that's actually your veggies are going to go in there. So all this is lobster tails and water.
Right, so we're going to get some of that lobster flavor infused into the water, right?
Yep. And we're going to put it in with the meat for the first 5 minutes. All right, here we go. It's smoking, so I think it's getting hot enough. That's right, it's going to boil anyway.
I would call that steam. I wouldn't call it smoke, but that's just me.
Your smoke is my steam. Wait, no. My smoke is... shut up first.
Sounded better in your head, didn't it, Rich?
It sure did. Right, we're going to cover, and I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, look at that. Those are getting nice and red, so it's time to pull those things out. Yeah, the guy went through and actually made sure I got the meatiest ones they got.
Really?
Yeah. He's like, I was telling him what I was making. He's like, "Oh crap! Let me go through all these real quick." He goes, "Yeah, okay."
Oh, that's cool, man. That's really cool that he did that.
I appreciate that. Okay, we're gonna let these rest for about 5 minutes until I can actually handle them with my hand. We're gonna let that cook a little bit, and then these shells are going back in for the stock. All right, we are going to take the meat out of these tails. Do it. I'm doing it on the wrong side.
I'm just, you know.
I have done this before.
I'm just here for the beer, man. That's not true.
I know, you're cooking.
I'm here for the lobster, too. So actually, what I was going to say is, you know, once you get the shell off, you might as well put it there in the pot. You know, you don't have to wait until you get all 5 of them off of that. I'm just saying.
I got my groove going.
You ain't never had no groove.
You telling me I'm not Stella?
No, you're not.
Stella!
All right, so now we got that done. We got, what you said, about 30 minutes?
30 minutes, let this get all the flavor out of the shell, and then we move on to the next step.
Sounds great.
Alrighty.
Let's drink some beer and watch it boil.
Beer!
I see our knife skills are still the same.
Wait, I'm gonna go like this. They're totally different now.
Well, at least I know you won't cut your fingers off now. But those knife skills are extraordinary, though, I must say.
I've been invited to France to teach.
Have you?
Yes.
Because it's so different from anything anybody's ever seen.
Exactly. It's called a technique.
Is that right?
It's the squatting lion. I don't even know where the hell I got that from.
No, I like the squatting lion technique.
There's our celery.
We're on a roll.
Okay, so there's the onions. One for me. Alright, our veggies are going in. Oh wait, sorry. Our butter is going in. Probably only supposed to use half of this, but who doesn't like butter? You watch real quick, I need to get something to stir with. I didn't think about that.
Sure. Well, we don't want to burn the butter?
Don't want to burn the butter.
Sounds like we already tried to burn the butter.
Melted really quick.
I bet it did. Oh, it's not burnt though. Yeah, no, you're alright. Ooh. But it's getting that good brown butter smell to it, man. Check that out. Oh man, there's nothing like that. Well, actually until you put the onions in, and then it gets even better.
Yes, it does. Alright, veggies are going in. I just walked in there and got a fucking spoon.
What were you looking for?
I bought my can opener.
Oh, well you got a spoon right there.
I know, I opened up the...
Yeah, I remember my first beer too, Rich.
Let's get us a little...
You just want to soften them, right? No
Yeah,
browning.
no. Little spot there in the middle. Supposed to be 4 cloves. It's probably more.
It always should be more.
2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons.
There you go. Teaspoon sounded a little weak.
Heaping tablespoons.
There you go. I'm with you.
I'm supposed to put the bouillon in before the tomato paste.
It doesn't matter. I mean, it seriously doesn't matter.
Oh, I know. But I'm just going to do it now. Alright, this is that better than bouillon stuff.
I love that stuff.
Bruce loves it. I've never used it.
So for a teaspoon for every 8 ounces of water.
So we have
5 cups of water?
5 cups of water. No, it's actually we're using 4 cups.
Oh, that's right, 4 cups of water. So yeah. Oh man, that is really starting to smell good.
Gotta get my flour out. We are going gluten-free with some white rice flour. My wife, I want to eat too.
Yeah.
Some people so selfish.
I know.
Do this. We're going 3 tablespoons. This will help thicken it up. Alright, we're going to get our wine, our sherry. We're going to deglaze this thing.
So don't be scared. Just pop that bad boy open and just dump it in there.
I ain't scared. Yes, now I should look and see how much I'm supposed to put in.
Looks about right to me.
What'd you learn to do? I smell that sherry right away.
Mm.
You said that bottle should last forever, not if you cook the way I do. 4 cups. know what I wanted to do and I forgot?
What's that?
I want to taste that stock. See how strong it is.
Oh, well. You can now.
Oh, tastes like the ocean.
Perfect.
But it's not very salty.
Oh, I think everything calls for the big ass power blender. And this is me, but you know.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
We're parading. You see that multitask?
Yeah, I did. I saw that.
Threw my can away?
I know. That's, you know, just impressive as hell, Rich.
Thank you. I can chew gum and walk too.
Yeah, I doubt that. But.
Well, sometimes. What do you want, Aunt Louie?
What's going on?
He's here, the neighbors. That is looking nice and rich.
Yes, it is. Just like my buddy Rich. The camera's still rolling, so what's my buddy Rich gonna do here now?
Buddy Rich is about to melt some butter.
Melt some butter.
And because who doesn't like butter?
They'd have to be a loser.
That's right. Let me get that garlic in there real quick. Now, I got this one.
That's pretty much it. Well, you've done a fine job today then, haven't you?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we need a cup of heavy cream. We're going to eyeball that. It's going to help this get nice and rich. We're going to bring this up. Mix it nice.
Alright, what you got there?
Got some tarragon organic.
I'm happy for you. How much are you supposed to put in there?
Who knows?
Alrighty.
So, show these bad boys real quick. These are Jonah crab claws, which I've never really had before. Bruce thinks we did, but
Oh, those are what kind?
Jonah.
Oh, well, I thought they were Dungeness. Okay.
No. Oh, Dungeons, yeah, that is.
Yeah, we
what
did
it
have
is.
those. Okay.
Now, my plan was put a little fresh tarragon on top.
That's what I'm talking about.
I quick stick it to my finger and go in. So I do have one more step. That's with crackers.
Oh, yeah. But the real question here is the bisque.
It's nice and sweet. Very rich. A lot of different flavors in there. That's good too. That's good.
Yeah.
So, okay, well, we're gonna pig out, America. So,
Oh yeah, you guys are still here?
anyway, so America, just cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn food. We'll see you next time. You burn it.
What?
Burn it.
I did?
Yep.
I'm going to say that's burnt.
Man, I haven't even stirred that in a while. It's starting to get...
I know, I was worrying about the water. Damn it. At least water's okay.